Hello, Claire here, and we're looking at rotations, and this is our fourth tutorial. And this time we're going to work with a Cartesian plane, an x-axis and a y-axis, and I have divided these up into centimetres. So you don't have to put all of the coordinates down because it's a bit time consuming, and we can work them out. So this is the first quadrant, the second quadrant, the third quadrant, and the fourth quadrant. And I've drawn a rectangle, A, B, C, D, and the centre of rotation is going to be the origin. And we're going to go 90 degrees in an anti-clockwise direction. So let's find the coordinates. This one here is the x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 2. B, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 for the x coordinate and 2 for the y coordinate. C is also 7 for the x coordinate, and the y is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 7 across and 5 up. And D, we've already got that one worked out. The x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 5. So we can always reuse some of the information we've already found out. So the centre of the rotation here is not on the geometric shape, it's some distance away at the origin. So it's 90 degrees to the left, and you draw a line from A to the centre. And it's quite easy to do this on a Cartesian plane because you can see that 90 degrees is simply going to be through the diagonals through all those grid lines. So it's very easy, and you can see that it will be not quite that far, but the diagonal of a 2 by 2 square, and that will be A. So that's A prime. So the next line we're going to rotate, let's do B, because we know that B is on that same horizontal line here. So it's going to actually be on the same line as A, but we better check it. So drawing a line from B to the centre of rotation, 90 degrees up from there, using my set square, projecting it along. It's going to be directly above A, but if we measure it, it's 5 centimetres long, so it should be 5 centimetres up above A, or the distance from the centre of rotation is 7.2, so 7.2 up here is directly here. So 7.2 up here gives us B prime. Let's draw those, just because if we gradually build this rectangle, it'll make it easiest for us to see. So as you can see, AB was down here and now AB is up here. So the whole of this shape has upended onto its side. So it's pretty easy to construct the rest of this without too much work. So we know the width of the shape is 3 centimetres. Why not just construct it with our knowledge and our logic? So 3 centimetres on both sides for the ends, and join the rest. So let's label that. That will be between A and D, so that will be D prime. And up here, opposite A is C, so that's C prime. And that's a rotation with the centre at the origin 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay, What about you try completing this? Could you please rotate this shape 90-degree anti-clockwise again, and then a second time, so you have a rotation in each quadrant. So rotate this one 90-degree anti-clockwise again, and then when you get it here, rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise again and see if it'll rotate back onto itself. So there's a task for you. See if you can manage to do that and label all the coordinates. Thank you. Bye for now.